Welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
Acura's flagship isn't a large sedan or even a decked-out full-size SUV. It's the 2022 NSX Type S sports car, which utilizes a hybrid powertrain. A twin-turbo V6 and 3 electric motors team up for blistering acceleration, but the system also enables quiet, electric-only driving so your neighbors don't have a cow every time you idle through your subdivision. Other similarly priced sports cars such as the McLaren 570S and the Mercedes-AMG GT offer sharper handling or more raw power, but the NSX is easier to live with on a day-to-day basis. Of course, there are some downsides, including the dated cabin and infotainment system. The NSX's interior storage is also not generous. We have good news and bad news. The good news is that the 2022 NSX will wear the vaunted Type S badge and come with 600 horsepower version of the supercar's twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain. Standard. The bad news, 2022 will be the NSX's last model year before it's discontinued, and only 300 will be available for sale in the US along with the pumped-up powertrain. The 2022 model wears tweaked front-end styling and Type S badging. Acura doesn't separate the NSX lineup into trims, so there's just a single model that you can customize to your liking. Acura hasn't set a price for the new Type S model yet, nor do we have a detailed list of standard and optional features, but we'll update this story with that information when we receive it. While it will certainly satiate your need for speed, the NSX can outpace some key rivals such as the Audi R8 or the McLaren 570S. In our testing, it still snapped off lightning-quick acceleration times and managed a 3.1-second run from 0 to 60 miles per hour with the 573 horsepower version of its hybrid powertrain. Its electric-only quiet mode, however, gives it something its rivals don't have: discretion. The NSX Type S's 600 horsepower hybrid electric powertrain combines a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 with 3 electric motors. The V6, the 9-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and one of the electric motors work as a team to power the rear wheels. The other 2 electric motors operate independently to drive the front wheels, effectively giving the NSX all-wheel drive. In quiet and sport modes, the steering is direct and accurate but light to the touch, which we think is an attempt to make the NSX feel maneuverable on a day-to-day basis. Such a setup, however, feels out of place on such a performance-oriented vehicle. In Sport Plus and Track modes, the electric power steering system dials in more weight. Regardless of the setting, the steering is crisp, and the car responds smartly to the slightest of driver inputs.
Thank for watching.